Here we go, it's all the five. Subscription box number 55 is here, and it's all about the Grande, Floral, Swirl die craft kit. You've got over 170 elements, and it makes a minimum of 12 cards, which are 4x6. Let's dive straight in and have a look inside. You already know by now, you get your little welcome from Sarah, and it's all nicely wrapped up inside. Now, within this box 55, it is all about the Grande swirls. You have got two large swirl dies, which you're going to be using when it comes to your projects. You're also going to get some of your clear stamps. Now, within these ones, you're going to get 4 of these. These are sentiment stamps that are going to work really well with your dies. Then what we're also going to be giving you this time is organza ribbon. So you're getting 9 reels. You've got the gold, you've got the white, and you've got the silver here. You've got them in 3 different lengths, 9 in total. Then this is where your 4x6 card blanks come into play. You've got them all together. Then if you've got the card blanks, you of course need the envelopes. These come included as well. What we're also going to give you is 100 gems. We have got the most beautiful gold and silver gems that you can see here. They're included. What we're going to be giving you this time is some of our mirror card. So that is correct. You've got mirror card within this box here. You've got 12 sheets. You've got 6 of the gold and you've got 6 of the silver. But we're not finished there. We've got printed papers. So when it comes to the printed papers, you're getting 12. Now, when it comes to these, what you're going to be getting is 6 designs and you're going to be getting 2 of each. We've got reds, we've got navies, we've got oranges, purples, turquoise, absolutely beautiful colour with that delicate elegance when it comes to that pattern. And then what we're going to be giving you is your 8x8 papers. So if we dive straight into these ones here, we are giving you 6 designs. We are giving you 2 of each. We've got the blacks, we've got the greens, we've got the turquoise, the navies, the purples, the reds, all included when it comes to subscription box 55. Now, if you use all these together, you can of course be using your 4x6 card blanks. Turn them into easels or fold backs. Maybe you just want to use the dies as a little accent onto your projects. You can absolutely do that. Look after the dies, look after the stamps. They're going to last you a lifetime, which means you can be using all your own card blanks time and time again for this box to continue. It is, of course, subscription box 55, and it is all about the Grande Floral Swirl Die Craft Kit.